Crash Course on World War II, WW2. Causes of World War II. The causes of World War II are complex and multifaceted. Some of the key factors that led to the war include 1. The Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles, which ended World War I, imposed harsh penalties on Germany, including reparations payments, territorial losses, and restrictions on military and economic activities. These penalties left Germany economically and politically weak, paving the way for the rise of the Nazi Party and the start of World War II. 2. The Great Depression. The Great Depression, which began in 1929, led to economic instability and political unrest around the world. Many countries, including Germany, turned to extreme political ideologies as a way to address the crisis. 3. Fascism and Nazism. The rise of fascist and Nazi ideologies in Germany and Italy, respectively, promoted nationalism, militarism, and expansionism, ultimately leading to the start of the war. Key events of World War II. 1. Invasion of Poland. On September 1, 1939, Germany invaded Poland, sparking the start of World War II. Britain and France declared war on Germany 2 days later. 2. Battle of Stalingrad. The Battle of Stalingrad, fought from August 1942 to February 1943, was a turning point in the war on the Eastern Front. The Soviet Union successfully defended the city of Stalingrad, now Volgograd, from German forces, resulting in a major victory for the Allies. 3. D-Day. On June 6, 1944, Allied forces launched the largest amphibious invasion in history, landing on the beaches of Normandy, France. The invasion was a major turning point in the war and helped pave the way for the eventual defeat of Nazi Germany. 4. Holocaust. The Holocaust was the systematic extermination of 6 million Jews by Nazi Germany during World War II. The Holocaust remains one of the most tragic and devastating events in human history. 5. Atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. In August 1945, the United States dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, killing hundreds of thousands of people and leading to Japan's surrender. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Battle of Dunkirk. In May 1940, the German army had trapped over 400,000 Allied troops on the beaches of Dunkirk, France. British and French forces launched a massive evacuation, with hundreds of civilian boats crossing the English Channel to rescue the stranded troops. The operation, known as the Miracle of Dunkirk, saved the lives of over 300,000 soldiers and became a symbol of British resilience and determination. 2. The Enigma machine. The Enigma machine was a complex encryption device used by Nazi Germany to send coded messages during World War II. British mathematician Alan Turing led a team that cracked the Enigma code, enabling the Allies to intercept and decode secret Nazi messages. This intelligence played a critical role in several key battles and may have shortened the war by up to 2 years. 3. The Navajo Code Talkers. The Navajo Code Talkers were a group of Native American soldiers who used their native language to transmit coded messages during World War II. The code was never broken by the Axis powers, and the Navajo Code Talkers are credited with helping the Allies win several key battles in the Pacific Theater. 4. The Battle of Midway. The Battle of Midway, fought in June 1942, was a major naval engagement between the United States and Japan. The Japanese Navy had planned to ambush the U.S. fleet and take control of the Pacific, but the U.S. Navy had cracked the Japanese codes and was able to anticipate their attack. The U.S. won a decisive victory, sinking 4 Japanese aircraft carriers and turning the tide of the war in the Pacific. 5. The Warsaw Uprising. In August 1944, Polish resistance fighters launched a revolt against Nazi occupation in the city of Warsaw. Despite being vastly outnumbered and outgunned, the insurgents held out for 63 days before being defeated by the Germans. The Warsaw Uprising remains a symbol of Polish resistance and determination against Nazi oppression. 6. The Tuskegee Airmen. The Tuskegee Airmen were a group of African American pilots who served in the U.S. Army Air Forces during World War II. Despite facing discrimination and segregation, the Tuskegee Airmen flew over 1,500 combat missions and earned a reputation as some of the best pilots in the U.S. military. 7. The Women's Army Corps. The Women's Army Corps, WAC, was established in 1942, allowing women to serve in non-combat roles in the U.S. Army. Over 150,000 women served in the WAC during World War II, performing critical roles such as clerical work, nursing, and communications. Conclusion. World War II was a global conflict that had a profound impact on the world. The war involved many nations, resulted in the deaths of millions of people, and changed the course of history. The causes of the war are complex and multifaceted, but some key factors include the Treaty of Versailles, the Great Depression, and the rise of fascist and Nazi ideologies. Some of the key events of the war include the invasion of Poland, the Battle of Stalingrad, D-Day, the Holocaust, and the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The war also featured many interesting stories and examples, such as the Battle of Dunkirk, the Enigma machine, the Navajo Code Talkers, and the Tuskegee Airmen. Despite the tragedy and devastation of the war, it also brought out examples of bravery, resilience, and determination from people all over the world. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.